Assalamu alaikum and warm regards from Videotape House. Kindly also subscribe the channel that we could provide more informative videos. We are going to discuss with you some facts. A common person will be understand the mind of evil genius peoples. There are so many incidents happening around us. They are control world banking systems, stock markets, economies. Let's come to the topic. A three-world war scenario was developed several decades ago. See conspiratorial history. 2 world wars have already been achieved, and the third and final world war envisions an attack on Iraq, Iran and/or Syria as being the trigger to set the entire Middle East into fiery conflagration. Once America is firmly entrenched into the Middle East with the majority of her first-line units, North Korea is to attack South Korea. Then, with America's forces stretched well beyond the limit, China is to invade Taiwan. This will usher in the start of World War III. World War definition. What constitutes a world war? How many countries need to be involved? And who decides at which point a number of regional skirmishes can be grouped together and called a world war? At the time, who called the official start of World War I and World War II? And have you noticed that although the term World War III is freely used in the alternative press and on the internet, all the major news networks have stoically avoided using any phrase reminiscent of World War? Since it's difficult to find a definition for an event which has only happened twice in modern history, here's my attempt at an answer to the question: what constitutes a world war? A world war is a military conflict spanning more than 2 continents, in which at least 20 major countries participate in an attack against a common enemy, and which has the attention of the man in the street due to the significant loss of life. With that definition, we can agree that World War I and World War II were in fact world wars. Both wars involved some degree of participation from most of the world's then existing countries: Britain, France, Germany, Italy, Japan, the United States and the Soviet Union. We can also agree that we are very close to achieving World War III. The only requirement left to fulfill the start of World War III is that of a military conflict spanning more than 2 continents. As soon as Israel attacks Palestine, or North Korea attacks South Korea, or the US, or China invades Taiwan, we will have the next World War well underway. World War III timeline. These are, I believe, the stages of the planned Third World War. Prelude: the events leading up to the start of World War III, including Sept 11, 2001. Act 1, the Middle East. Widespread conflict to bring the entire region into the flames of war, possibly triggered by Iran or militants in Pakistan using North Korean-supplied nuclear arms. The first scene in this act is the U.S. invasion of Iraq on March 20, 2003. Act 2, Israel at war, against her Arab neighbors, possibly Palestine. A Palestinian state will be established, so that all Israelis will be fully separated from Palestinians. Listen out for mention of a 7-year treaty to be confirmed by a world leader, probably Bush, only for Israel to viciously attack Palestine shortly thereafter. Act 3, Far East, hair-raising nuclear confrontation that threatens mankind's existence. Peter Lemay, author of the Armageddon script, p. 223, written in 1981. Includes China invading Taiwan and a nuclear eruption on the Korean peninsula. Act 4, erosion of confidence in the system so severe citizens will be panicked into giving up liberties and constitutional form of government. The plan calls for the dissolution of the U.S. Constitution, triggered by a significant enough terrorist attack. The ultimate intent is to introduce a global government and one world religion. Act 5, the collapse of the U.S., and other Western economies and morals. Act 6, significant population reduction using natural and man-made disasters. Curtain. Who can tell how this war will end? Both biblical prophecy and the Illuminati plan state that Israel is the key. The Third World War is planned to begin when Israel goes to war against her Arab enemies. Then, and only then, will all the other elements begin to occur, and they will do so in rapid succession. The plan is to have one disaster following another in such rapid succession that, before people can mentally and emotionally handle one disastrous news event, they will be hit with another. It is also accurate to say that until all of the elements for World War III are in place, the plan will not commence. While it would be naive to suggest a specific timeline for the events leading up to and including World War III, we do know that the plans for World War III are well advanced, and our leaders involved in this secret plan are waiting only for the right signal before all-out war begins. We are in the last stages of the preparation to so globalize the world that the Masonic New Age Christ, Antichrist, can appear to receive all the political and economic power of the world's rulers. This is the Illuminati plan and biblical prophecy, Revelation 17:12-17. In the words of Peter Lemay, author of the Armageddon script. Their script is now written, subject only to last-minute editing and stage directions. The stage itself, albeit in darkness, is almost ready. Down in the pit, the subterranean orchestra is already tuning up. The last-minute, walk-on parts are even now being filled. Most of the main actors, suspects, have already taken up their roles. Soon it will be time for them to come on stage, ready for the curtain to rise. The time for action will have come.